When you're ready to make a deposit at the bank, you can record that deposit in QuickBooks. Click the New menu, and then under Other, click Bank Deposit. The first thing you see in QuickBooks Bank Deposits is the account. You can deposit to any bank account in QuickBooks. Next, enter the date of the deposit. Now you'll see the payments that have been accumulated in the undeposited funds account waiting to be deposited. To deposit these all on one deposit, select the payment on the left-hand side. QuickBooks adds the total, and now you're ready to make the deposit. This amount of $1,695 will appear on our bank statement as one deposit made up of two payments. This is why we use the undeposited funds account. When you're ready to make the deposit, click Save and Close, and QuickBooks makes the deposit of those two payments.